Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking.
I begin by using some chicken chipolatas. I've taken those out of the skin. I just want to mash those down. If you prefer, you can use some chicken or some turkey mince here. I add some stuffing. I'm just using a dried sage and onion stuffing. And then in for the pastry. This is puff pastry, ready bought, and it's already rolled out, so it couldn't be easier. This is a gluten-free version, but if you're not gluten-free, then you can just use regular pastry. So once that's laid out, I cut it long ways to go right the way along like so. And then we want to add in some gorgeous cranberry sauce. So that goes down to the middle on both sides, on both sheets. This gives so much flavour and obviously makes it feel more Christmassy. Next in with the chicken mince, which has got that stuffing in it. So again, we lay that along the middle on both sides. And then I want to sort of mush that down. So fork it so that it flattens slightly, just so that it makes it a little bit easier to actually roll up these Christmas sausage rolls. And these really do taste like a Christmas dinner. The next stage is to add some pork sausage meat. You could use sausages at this point, but I've just got this sausage meat and I like this one from Tesco's, but you can use whichever you choose. I lay that along the middle like you would a regular sausage roll. Using an egg glaze makes all the difference, so I smash that into a cup, give that a mix, and then just use a pastry brush to brush all of your edges, and this will just help seal when we make these into our sausage roll shapes. So next you want to turn over the pastry like so, and this is creating your sausage roll. Seal down those edges so that we don't get anything spilling out of those. I then fork the edges and roll them over slightly, and then we're ready to cut them. You could make large sausage rolls, little tiny mini ones, it's really up to you. And then I like to just do a couple of slices on the top. I think it makes them cook more evenly and it's quite effective. I then added some sage leaves on top, as these are special Christmas sausage rolls. This just gave a little bit extra and the flavour of sage is beautiful. You can see the layers there and they are going into my air fryer. I think that gluten-free pastry tastes so much better when cooked in the air fryer. I did them on 200 for 14 minutes and this is how they came out. As you can see, I've got a little pot here with gravy, but serve them with whatever you fancy. To me, with the gravy, they were a proper Christmas dinner sausage roll. They were absolutely delicious and the pastry is so crisp being air fried like this, and they are totally Moorish. Couldn't stop eating these all day. Look at the layers, the stuffing, the cranberry, the sausage meat. They are absolutely stunning. And I think these were perfect for the festive season to share with family and friends.
These sausage rolls are absolutely fantastic. It literally is a Christmas dinner inside.